Hello children, welcome back to the biology class. Today we will be learning about carbon cycle. Now, when we talk about carbon we find it in the elemental stage as well as in the compound form. Now, let us see how carbon that is found in the atmosphere is used by different plants and animals, and how does it constitute its use, and then how it forms the carbon cycle. When we talk about the carbon, it is found in the elemental form in nature in the form of graphite, diamond and many other forms. When we see it as a compound or when it is utilized as a compound, then we find it in the form of carbon dioxide, we find it in the form of carbonates. Now, when we utilize it in our daily use, then when it is synthesized in the animals, when we use it in our life forms, then it is found in the form of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, nucleic acids and other vitamins. Carbonates are also helpful, or we can say that carbonate salts are also used to form endoskeleton as well as exoskeleton. When we talk about the use of carbon dioxide or carbon, then it is used in the life processes like photosynthesis. Now, you know the process of photosynthesis. We have already learned it in our lower classes, but just for the revision, we'll just see what happens during the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process by which the plants use the organic compounds. They use the carbon dioxide that is found in the atmosphere, and with the help of that, they just help the organic compounds that is used by the animals in the form of the carbonic compounds. That is, the plants, they take in oxygen, they take in carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. They prepare their own food and they form complex substances like glucose. Now, these glucose or the food that is synthesized by the plants is used by animals, and with the different processes like respiration and decomposition, again this compound is turned into carbon dioxide and it is released back into the atmosphere. So, the carbon dioxide that is formed in the atmosphere is utilized by the plants in the process of photosynthesis. They make their food, that food is again utilized by animals, and when the animals respire and through the process of decomposition, with these various processes, again this carbon dioxide is released back into the air. Now, this is one process, or this is one factor that helps to balance the carbon dioxide that is present in the air. The other process is the carbon dioxide that is found in the atmosphere. It is found in the form of carbonates in water. The marine life, they use these carbonates, and that is used in water and helps the formation of limestone. And when we see the other method of use of the carbon, then the organic compounds, that is the plants, when they emit, then it is used by the processes like combustion. It is used while burning. So, during the burning, what happens? The coal is formed. Even during the process of the combustion, when it burns, then it is also stored, or it is also used for making the petroleum or petroleum products. Now, even the formation of shells, that the organic compounds of the animals that they use in they help in the production of the shells. So, this is how the carbon dioxide which is found in the because when we use more of oxygen and when we release more of carbon dioxide in the air, then there is an imbalance in the nature because of the air pollution, because of the more use of the fuels and more use of the carbon in the air. So what happens? It causes an imbalance in nature, and thus we need to do or take some steps in order to maintain the carbon cycle and maintain the balance in the nature. Okay, so this is all about use of carbon dioxide and use of the carbon in the atmosphere, and this is all about the